why I got you in the camera. Pick it up, young squire.
Hello.
Look at him. Smoking that black and mild.
So?
You about to put some herb in the drink.
Oh, no. I think his birthday gonna be Saturday.
He going outside to smoke.
Huh?
He was like,
no, I just get off at 2 o'clock.
He was like, okay then, I'll holler.
I don't get paid till the day.
Check out this nasty little pork nugget.
Delete my,
Delete all that shit.
Talking to Chris.
Delete all that shit.
You better go down there for that dog chew your black and mild.
You better act right.